So I've just got home to New Zealand and I've spent the last 4 weeks trading and traveling around the US on a big road trip with my wife. I'm going to talk to you about what you can learn from my experience and how it can help you when trading and traveling for yourself. Let's get into that and more right now. Hey there traders, Andrew Mitchum here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 602. Back in beautiful New Zealand, back in the winter here, lovely dark blue sky days, sunny days, really great to be home. But we had a great 4 weeks traveling around the US. I drove on the wrong side of the road for me and I covered over 4,000 miles or 6,500 kilometers and we visited 10 states. Now on that trip, I carried on trading exactly the same as I would have from home. Obviously, the time of day is slightly different, but everything that I did was exactly the same as I would do from here. As far as our coaching is concerned, we still had our live weekly webinars, our live webinars for clients to join in European session and US session. We still posted our daily trades each day. We still had our forum site updated. And so everything carried on. But from a trading perspective, what I gathered from that trip is you don't have to trade all the time to do really well. And so for me, I took some monthly chart trades. In fact, I've still got a New Zealand US dollar sell trade on. And this week, the New Zealand dollar, in fact, just yesterday, it's just crashed and it's really helped that trade. But longer term on the monthly chart, we had a sell trade from the beginning of August. Now, if you've been following me, you would have seen that I documented my trades that I'm taking on the monthly charts, the weekly charts, the daily charts, and other time frame charts while I was in the US. So I'll put a link here. You can have a look at those 14 videos that I took while I was there, and you can see the trades I've taken and the results of them. But it just showed to me that it doesn't matter whether you want to travel and trade or whether it's just normal life going on and you've got jobs, families, sports, hobbies, whatever it might be. And you think that you don't have time to trade. Well, it's just not true. You do have time to trade. Everybody has 24 hours in the day, but you don't need to spend so much time as you think actually doing the trading once you know what you're doing. And so I looked at the charts at the beginning of each week, looking at the monthly charts. And at the beginning of the month, beginning of August, we looked at the monthly charts and took that trade I mentioned on the New Zealand US dollar. And then each day we looked at the daily charts. Now, because that's 5 p.m. New York time, at that same time, the 12-hour charts, the 8 and the 6 hours close. And so we scanned those 3 other time frame charts as well. And we post those trades on our membership site for clients to follow and have a look at. So if you did nothing else than just maybe looked once a day at the daily charts and those other 3 time frame charts at the same time, you can do that in literally 5-10 minutes a day and take your trades and leave them. The other thing that I find that with traveling is you spend less time looking at charts, which is a good thing. You don't need to be glued to your charts all day. And people get stuck into that routine. They kind of feel that they need to be there looking at trades, looking at charts, interfering. You don't. You can place your trades, leave them, and walk away. And that really is the best approach, that set and forget approach. It's far more enjoyable. It's less stressful. You've got your low control risk if you trade the way that we trade. And you have high reward to risk trades if you trade the way that we trade. And so you can just leave the trades and walk away. Now, the only thing I did is before the weekend, I just closed out anything that was from daily charts or lower, but weekly charts, monthly charts, or any crypto trades, you just leave those open until the following week. And of course, crypto's over the weekend. So that just means that you could just trade, travel, do whatever else you want to do. Now, another really important factor, which you cannot put a value on this, it's the price of the power of community. Now, we are incredibly proud of what we've built over the last 16 plus years here at the Forex Trading Coach. We have an amazing group of clients from right around the world, all trading the same strategy and all helping each other. And I think that's very unique in the trading world. And it's just incredibly, incredibly powerful to see while I was away, other people stepping up, helping out, taking trades, posting trades, answering questions as well. We were still there to do that, but obviously with traveling, it's just, a little bit slower to get responses. And the ability to talk to other people who are all trading the same strategy, the same method, all they're taking the same trades, looking at the same charts at the same time, and to discuss things with them, their experiences of trading, whether they, found it easy or hard, or they've left trading and come back, or they're on prop firms, or, all these different type of real life situations that people face when they're trading. And the ability to interact with other people and to view their trades and to discuss things is massively important, because otherwise trading's just a real lonely business. You're kind of sitting there on your computer, on your laptop, and you're by yourself. And so I really, really appreciate our clients and our students that we have on board, and our mentors and everybody there, all on the same page, all helping each other. So look, the other news since I've been back is we have completely changed our pricing structure. In the past, we've always had one upfront fee, and it's been like that for the last 16 years. Now, I've just decided to change things up. And, just traveling around, you realize that financially things are quite tough for people out there. Even in America, I was amazed with the price of food and how I used to think food in America was very cheap. No longer the case, very expensive, like supermarkets, etc., like that, eating out. So what I've done is I've created a document, and on that document, you'll find a completely different pricing structure. So you can jump on board with us at a vastly reduced fee, and then have an ongoing monthly fee to continue with our daily trades, our webinars, our forum site, if you wish to, and you can stop that at any time if you wish to as well. So I'll put a link to that document, or you can just email me and I'll send you that document. And if you are out there looking for a highly recommended broker, I can recommend Blueberry Markets. They're based in Australia, across the water here behind me, and about 3.5 hours that way by plane. And they are a great bunch of people, very good broker. Most people around the world can open accounts with them. Unfortunately, if you're in the US, you cannot. But Blueberry Markets, I've been with them for years. I know them personally, having met them in person, speak to them, weekly. Great people, and a good option for you to consider if you're out there looking for a broker. And I'll put a link to them as well. So that's it for me. Really glad to be back into New Zealand. Like I said, had a fantastic time away in the States, seeing some iconic places, some amazing barbecue food. Highlights for me would be some of the music we saw in Memphis and Nashville and New Orleans. Some of the iconic things like the New Orleans paddle steamer up the Mississippi, the alligator tours, and of course spending some really valuable time with Paul Tillman and his family in the Smoky Mountains. So great time to be away, great place to visit for a road trip, and lovely people, easy to get around, and to trade at the same time and make money while on holiday is the absolute ultimate, isn't it? So that's what you can do. So once again, have a look at the link that I've got on here if you'd like to come on board with us at the Forex Trading Coach. And I'll see you this time next week. This is Andrew Mitchum, enjoying the sunshine back in New Zealand, and we'll talk soon. Bye for now.